We are in Gauribas viewpoint. See, that is Bhutan. You can see this red house. That is Bhutan. And this is a nice river.
And that part is India. This part.
And this is Himalaya. Himalayan mountain of Bhutan.
Himalayan
Range of Bhutan.
And this part is India.
Ma. Misho. Gogol.
Outa?
Huh? Nobody.
No.
Jol Dhaka. This is Jol Dhaka river.
Tell them this.
এখন এটাতে তো অনেক জল আছে দেখুন না।
This part is India and the other one is Bhutan.
Very nice. Let's bye. We'll go to the next point. Go. You want to say anything?
Tell this part is India.
This part India, that side Bhutan.